Welcome back everyone. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to solve the shortlinks from the Aeon Faucet site. Well, as you can see, there are a lot of shortlinks integrated into the site, and when you complete each of those shortlinks, you will earn money. Some of those shortlinks can be done multiple times, such as BitSpace can be completed 4 times, MGNet can be completed 4 times. So in order to reach this page, first of all, you would have to log into your account. After logging into your account, navigate to the menu, and in here just click on the shortlinks, which will be available under the earnings subsection. Once you come to this subsection of shortlinks, you will find various shortlinks. Click on the shortlinks which you prefer. It will redirect you to the third-party site. And each of the shortlinks has different approaches to solve, but usually everything is going to just be completed the same way. I'll move on to the next page. In all the sites, you need to complete or wait until the timer gets completed. Now just click on the get link button and it will take you to the page. That's it. One token has been added, and the respective energy, that is from BitSpace I have done 3 energy, has been added to my account. The same way you can complete all the other shortlinks. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video, and do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button if you subscribe button if you want more such videos.